All right, welcome back, everybody. So the youth of South Africa has shared their challenges with their counterparts from other countries on the continent.
Now, the Regional Children and Youth Forum took place in Windhoek in Namibia yesterday. And this is a partnership between non-governmental organizations whose goal is to put children's well-being at the forefront of the international agenda.
All right, so our producer, Nonzuzo Dlamini, is there, and her camera operator, Manqoba and Nkosi, compiled this report for us.
The 49 children from 13 countries in Eastern and Southern Africa voiced their concerns, shared their experiences with the hope to change their circumstances. Among their discussions were issues of child marriages, gender-based violence, early and unintended pregnancies. The Nelson Mandela Children's Fund takes it upon itself to make sure that society changes the way it treats children.
Our role in this forum is to expose young people from South Africa to the forum and also to the issues of young people on the continent, around gender-based violence, around unintended pregnancies, around issues in general of young people.
The children themselves say it is time that government listens and acts.
Substance abuse is a huge thing in South Africa. Now, so many children are abusing substances such as dagga, using substances and smoking, and also drinking a lot of alcohol, which is not good because this is going to break them and their future. And it's not good for them growing up as children because now this is going to hurt them essentially when they grow up. I would also have to say that unintended teenage pregnancies are on the rise always in South Africa, and I really don't find that to be good, and I really hope that somehow we can reach the children and be able to speak to them and their issues that they face, because what we find to be the problem is that maybe they have lack of knowledge.
They also wanted to put aside politics and deal with the issues at hand.
What happens many times in government institutions is that sometimes politicians get caught up in politics and self-serving financial purposes, and they miss the need of the people. They miss the children crying for help. But any single institution that tries their best to help these children, we work with them and we try our best to put our budgets together to reach out to those children and to raise awareness around these issues that we are facing.
They have been part of the Children's Parliament, which was established in 2011. Furthermore, they have, together with children from other provinces, put together the first ever Children's Manifesto, where the youth takes a stand and makes their voices heard. Even though progress has been made in addressing children's rights and their protection, government admits that there is still a gap.
We do have beautiful pieces of legislation and we are trying to implement, but there are gaps. But if we look at the progressive side of implementation and we look at the welfare system of approaching issues of ensuring that children are in a safety network, your issues of grants are helping. The issues of ensuring that children access free medical health is helping. The issue of children accessing free education is helping. The issue of ensuring that children are well nourished in schools is helping. The issue that we're looking at the health and development of children is helping. However, we do acknowledge that there are gaps and challenges in implementation of policies.
Tomorrow, these children will address government officials with one objective: to be heard. Nonzuzo Dlamini for Morning Live in Windhoek, Namibia.